Today I am going to perform an experiment to test the lime water turns milky in my mini lab. So first, I will tell you the materials required: a cork, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, baking soda, which is commonly present in homes. Then the conical flask, test tube stand, 2 test tubes, funnel, filter paper, glass rod, straw or a tube, and spatula. So that's it. So I'm going to start pouring some calcium hydroxide. In a test tube with a glass rod. Remember that the test tube should be clean. And one more pinch of salt. Pause karo. And I will add one more pinch of calcium hydroxide in a test tube. And last one more pinch. Now with the help of a dropper, I will add some water. It's about 3 ml. Last 2 ml. So I'm going to now stir it with stirrer. Shake it well before preparing lime water. Remember that the lime water should be that it forms a white precipitate, and I will again shake it well before preparing lime water. Now take another test tube, keep this test tube in the test tube stand. Take funnel. Now I am going to take a funnel and put the filter paper inside it. Loud. Like this. Prepare lime water. I'm going to put this test tube in the test tube stand. Hold the white precipitate of COH2 combined with water, H2O. Loud. And pour it carefully, drop by drop, like this. It will take time to prepare lime water. As you can see, that the lime water is formed with the help of funnel and filter paper. I'm going to put the funnel aside and shake the lime water well.
Loud.
And stir it with the stirrer once again.
Loud.
To make it homogeneous mixture. And put this in the test tube stand. Now I'm going to take conical flask, pour some vinegar in it, Now I'm going to pour more vinegar.
Loud.
It's about 26 ml.
Loud.
So now I'm going to add some baking soda in it. But before it, I'm going to get ready with my cork tube straw. So like this. Okay, I'm going to give it support so it doesn't fall down. Now I'm going to with the help of spatula I'm going to add some sodium bicarbonate, which is NaHCO3. Okay, so not with this, I'm going to add with this so that a large amount of sodium bicarbonate gets. Pause. Now I'm going to, with the help of a file, I'm going to add some sodium bicarbonate. So like this, I'm going to pour it, and you can see the bubble formation, which indicates that the CO2 is formed. Now I'm going to put this. Now I'm going to put this tube inside this test tube. As you can see that the sodium carbonate comes up when it combines with CH3COOH, which is vinegar. And you can also see that the lime water turns milky. And this is a demonstration of the CO2 gas, which tells us that the lime water turns milky when it combines with CO2. So you can see that the bubble formation, and you can also see that the lime water turns milky over here with the CO2 combined. Now to test it, we will take a blue litmus, moist it with water by taking a dropper and put it. So take only half ml, like this much. I've taken larger quantity of water and pour it carefully in the litmus. Now I have moistened the litmus and I'll keep it here over here. Now open the cork. You can see that the cork is also surrounded with specified precipitate. With support over here, and over the litmus, I'm going to pour the solution. You can see that the litmus is turned red, and this tells us that CO2 is an acidic gas, not a basic gas. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and share this video and leave comments. Bye for now.